Yes, we have got this exe file or MSI file, basically a Microsoft installer. I just click on install and next. I'll select complete and install. So just quickly finish off. Okay, so my installation is all done. Okay, so let me just check. I'll go to C drive, program files. I should find MongoDB. So 3.2, yeah, 64-bit. Even that 32. Yeah, anything is that complaint, no problem. So this way, okay, yeah, 64 perfect. So I would just uh, two things that we can do is if we are creating your terminal right here, you could use here because your Mongo yes, and MongoDB is right here, right? Or if you want to work anywhere you want, you can put this address on the path, and we can access wherever you want. So I prefer to put it on a path, right? So I'll just copy this place. Maybe depending on the update and the version which you got, this might change. You can just go into the bin. I would right click and copy. Okay, and start env. I put it on the system variable. Under that environment variable, I would select this button. So you can get this. You can just click on start env. So you get this environment variable. Uh, okay, it did not work. I would get it here. Environment variable. You can find for something like path. User, or if you are, since it's our laptop, we can put it on either section. So edit. So you find a lot of paths here, whichever we have done it so far, right? I would create a new entry and paste it. In your case, if you don't see a panel something like this, you gotta hit end, put a semicolon, then paste. Yeah, the till bin. Okay, so hopefully if that is done, nothing much, it's all done. Back to normal. Okay, that's what we have done. Let me also open the slide, which I can keep showing you. Perfect. So we have taken it. Now we can unzip it wherever you want. So you have again another version of MongoDB. They also give you the zipped version. You can just unzip it and set the path, and it's all done. Okay. So finally export. That's basically in Unix or Linux. Here we set the path. Okay. So this is if I want to start MongoDB, right? It needs some place where it can collate all the database information, right? So these people are like little flexible. You can choose where you want. Now by default, it will be in C drive. In Windows, it will be like C. The directory path is C drive. Data slash D. You got to create a folder, or if you want, you can create wherever you want. Maybe what I try doing is I'll try creating a nice structure here somewhere in D drive, my works, and I create 2-3 folders called as database, so everything goes there. If it is on Windows, it will be slash data slash DB. In Windows, it is C colon slash C colon, which is messed up. some typo mistake. And you can create the folder structure and same as the drive and specify another location where you are trying to start. So what I do, I'll use command prompt. Okay. So I use D drive. Maybe in your case, if you don't have D drive, in C drive, create some folder so that we'll keep everything in one place, even the JSON file which we try getting it. I'll say mkdir Mongo works cd Mongo works. Right. So here I would say when it's a dir, I don't have anything. Mkdir, you could call it anything, data or data DB, anything of your choice. It's just a normal folder. I call it as data. Okay. So now I got to start. I'll say MongoD and hit enter. It throws out to be some errors. Let's try reading out. What does it say? If you say MongoD, it gives you a lot of errors. It says that, hey, there's a process ID which is 7708 which is gonna start. The port number is 27017. That's the default port number. As you have 3306 for MySQL, 1521 for Oracle. So MongoDB also uses a port number called 27017 as a default one. If you don't specify, this is where it will be posted. Or I can go ahead and try specifying the port number which you want. So that's what it tries saying. And it says, hey, I was looking for something like this folder. It says, I want a database path of D drive slash data slash DB, which I did not find. So it says that, sorry, this is not possible now. Because it has to be given the external folder which has to be created manually. Okay. But in our case, where have we created it? We have created inside Mongo works slash data. And a couple of other things. It says it's a operating system, all these things, the version it says, git version, blah blah blah, all these things. Okay. So first and foremost, I'll say MongoD hyphen hyphen data DB. The folder name which you have got is data. It means the path is not set. Okay. I'll come there. Don't worry. Right. Perfect. I'll just click on allow access. You can just spend a minute just to have a look at that. This is more of a daemon. We have nothing to do here. But this is where everything is posted.